EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for Monday, May 4th, 2015. And after a fantastic weekend, we're going to continue it here at the start of the work week on Monday. A good day to play hooky if you're going to go out and play golf. It's going to be a little warm, though. Temperatures are going to be in the actually low to mid 80s across much of the region today. Even up in the northern areas here where we normally don't get up into the 80s this early, we're going to get us some 80-degree readings up by Scranton, Wilkes-Barre back to Williamsport. But very nice, mostly sunny skies. We're dealing with a strong southwesterly breeze here. The only concern I have with today here is it's very dry. So we're going to have red flag warnings across the eastern half of our coverage area here, and that's going to lead to an enhanced fire risk. So if you are going to be or planning on burning, make sure you check with your local municipality as far as burn bans there will be in effect for local municipalities, but there are also red flag warnings are going to be up in this area here for that fire danger. Combination of low humidity and the hot temperatures, and also the winds, which will be about 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the southwest today, will all lead to an increased risk for the brush fire. So be careful with open flames today. So a little bit further here, we're going to go into Tuesday now. Cold front's going to be approaching, looking at mainly afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Not very wide coverage here, but we go over to the NAM here real quick, and we go to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We're going to start off. This radar is at max range here, but I want to go forward here. There are some pretty potent storms showing up here on the simulated radar here for Tuesday evening here. If you look at the NAM soundings, that's sounding out of many locations here, shows some pretty impressive instability over a very large area here, mainly in this area right here. And those soundings are indicating the potential for some pretty strong storms. Actually, let me cut that back a little bit. The strong storms are pretty much in the northern half of this area here, probably up in this area here, where we'd have the strongest potential for damaging winds. So we're going to watch this, keep an eye on it. The NAM is pretty aggressive with the notion that there'll be a lot of instability available for these storms here on Tuesday evening. And if we get enough heating, which we certainly expect at temperatures be up 80 or above in many locations again here on Tuesday, we can get some pretty potent storms here with those lapse rates pretty high. So we'll keep an eye on that, and if there is a threat for a strong or even severe storm threat, we'll let you know as soon as we get that information. Go a little beyond Tuesday here. Once this front goes through, it pretty much dissipates. It goes to the south here. We're going to have a cooler day here on Wednesday, and I say cooler. If I could put that in quotes, I would, because it's really not cool per se. We're talking about low to mid 70s for highs here on Wednesday. So really not cool by any means, but cooler than the previous days, if that makes any sense. And then we get into a little bit further here. You see this front just falls apart, dissipates, and we have the heat starting to build beyond that. We're going to get into mostly sunny conditions as we get beyond Wednesday into Thursday, Friday, and again on Saturday. Now we're going to have another frontal boundary that's going to try to come through here later in the day on Saturday. Could touch off a few showers and storms here. Kind of questionable whether or not it's going to be on Saturday or Sunday. Right now we left the low chance probabilities here on Saturday for a chance for the shower or thunderstorm. But Saturday is going to be a very, very warm day. Might be the warmest day of the year. We're going to talk about that today. Today is probably going to be the warmest day for many locations so far in 2015. We might top that as we get into next weekend, especially on Saturday when we get to temperatures in the mid 80s. So it's going to be very, very warm over the next upcoming week here, and we're looking for pretty much the entire month of May to be above normal overall. But this week is definitely going to be helping matters big time with as far as above normal temperatures. So as we get into this entire month, I think we're going to end up probably about 4 or 5, maybe 6 degrees above normal across many locations here in our coverage area. So it's going to be very, very warm. High pressure building in, very warm temperatures coming in the Thursday through Saturday time frame. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich, and that is your outlook for May 4th, 2015. Have a great Monday.